Hello, I'm John, and today we're going to do a special stay-home challenge. We're going to bake cookies! Yay! And we have Yuko here to help us.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm great. Do you like cookies?
I love cookies.
Good.
How about you?
Yes, me too. And how many ingredients does it take?
We use 3 ingredients.
Only 3. That's great. And the first one is flour.
Flour.
Good. Number 2 is sugar.
Sugar.
And is butter.
Butter.
Good. So, are you ready?
Yes, let's get started.
Okay. Okay, what's first?
First, we'll melt the butter in the microwave.
Okay, so I'll take the bowl and take our butter and put it in here. There.
Just for 10 seconds, please.
10 seconds, okay? I'm going right now.
I'll be back. See you.
And here's our butter done.
Okay, can you mix?
Sure, mix around.
Good job.
Thank you.
Good, that will be enough.
Okay, next.
Put the sugar into the bowl.
Good, okay.
Then mix.
Mix again. Mix, mix.
Mix, mix, mix.
Mix the flour into the bowl and mix.
All of it at the same time?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. There. So we go. Here we mix, mix, mix.
Good. Now you can use the plastic bag. Put your hand in.
Wow, this is
And-
fun.
Mix with your hand.
Okay, good. Mix, mix, mix.
Try to make a ball.
A ball.
Can I see?
You want to see the ball? The ball in the bowl? There it is.
Oh, it becomes a ball. Put
What do
it
we do
on
now?
the sheet.
All of it?
Yes.
Okay. Just like this. Okay, I'll push it down like this.
Make it flat.
Flat. No more.
Like 3 milliliters.
Cut them up. Okay. How's that?
Good job. Just cut about this size.
Hello. We're back again and we have cut up our cookies and we have separated them. And are they ready to go in the...
If it's too mushy to separate, we can put it in the freezer for 5 minutes. And it's nice and hard. It's easy to separate. See all the faces.
Good.
Strange face. Oops. Sad face. So,
Okay.
we got out.
Ready? Yeah.
And put it in the toaster. Try 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay.
And you take a look. Take a peek. And if it's nice and golden brown, it's ready.
Okay. So I'll take it right now. Okay?
Okay.
Ready? And here they are. Don't they look yummy? Oh, and you can see the happy face. And lots of funny faces too. They look so yummy. And since Sunday is Mother's Day, you can make cookies for your mother and give them to her and say, Happy Mother's Day. Here you are.
Thank you. Wow. Did you make these?
Yes. Do you like them?
Yes. Can I try?
Sure.
Good.
Good. And they're so easy to make. You can make them with your mother and then give them to her.
Or
Okay.
even with your father.
Yes, with your father as well. And in the foreign country, we also give flowers too. So if you have any flowers, I got these from the garden. And you can say, here you are, Happy Mother's Day.
Beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome. So everybody have a nice time baking the cookies and enjoy them with your mother. Say Happy Mother's Day.